We all know that there are many batsmen bowlers with outstanding performance and records in IPL still. Now we list the best wicketkeepers in IPL of all time, which proved themselves to be on the list with their exceptional wicketkeeper career. Number 10. Vridhiman Saha. Vridhiman Saha is an international cricketer from India who plays for Sunrisers Hyderabad in IPL. Saha is famous for his remarkable wicketkeeper career among cricket fans, including 81 dismissals in 106 matches with 61 catches and 20 stumps. Saha made IPL debut in 2008 after being signed by Kolkata Knight Riders. Saha played for 4 different teams till now, and for all the teams he delivered remarkable performance. The Kings 11 Punjab wicketkeeper became the first player to score a century in IPL. The final was against KKR with 150 runs from 35 balls, including 10 fours and 8 sixes. Number 9. KL Rahul. Kannur Lokesh Rahul, known as KL Rahul, is an international cricketer from India who plays as a wicketkeeper in IPL for the Punjab Kings. Rahul is one of the best right-handed batsmen in the world, but KL's performance in IPL as a wicketkeeper also makes him one of the best wicketkeepers in IPL. He played for 4 different teams till now in IPL. KL has had 42 dismissals in 56 matches till now, including 36 catches and 6 stumps. Rahul made his IPL debut playing for Royal Challengers Bangalore in 2013. He destroyed his opponents by scoring 132 off just 69 balls. It was the highest score by an Indian batsman and a captain in an IPL match. KL made these records against RCB as a captain of Punjab Kings. He scored 5 50s and 1 century till now. After scoring the most runs, Rahul won the orange cap in the IPL 2020. Number 8. Kumar Sangakkara. Kumar Sangakkara is a former cricketer from Sri Lanka. It is generally considered that he is one of the greatest batsmen in the history. Sangakkara has done tremendous work in IPL as a wicketkeeper with 45 dismissals in 51 matches with 36 catches and 9 stumps. Number 7. Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Rajendra Pant, known as Rishabh Pant, is a professional cricketer from India who plays for Delhi Capitals in IPL as a wicketkeeper. He is also part of India's national cricket team since 2017. Rishabh Pant's wicketkeeper career in IPL is fantastic and impressive because of 60 dismissals in 66 matches with 47 catches and 30 stumps. He made his IPL debut in 2016, playing for Delhi Daredevils. Number 6. Quinton de Kock. Quinton de Kock has represented South Africa in all 3 formats of international cricket. At the domestic level, Kock is playing for the Titans, plays for the Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League and for South Africa internationally. De Kock is one of the best wicketkeepers in IPL who amazed the cricket fans because of their remarkable performance. De Kock has a total of 62 dismissals till now 65 matches with 48 catches and 14 stumps. Number 5. Adam Gilchrist. Adam Crane Gilchrist, known as Adam Gilchrist, is a former cricketer from Australia. Besides being one of the best wicketkeepers in IPL, he is also considered one of the greatest wicketkeepers in cricket history. Gilchrist has a remarkable career in IPL as a wicketkeeper, with 67 dismissals in 80 matches, with 51 catches and 16 stumps. Number 4. Robin Uthappa. Uthappa, known as Robin Uthappa, is a cricketer from India who played for 8 different teams in Indian Premier League and made his IPL debut with Mumbai Indians in 2008. Robin Uthappa remained the top scorer for Pune Warriors in India in season 5 with 405 runs from 16 games, including 69 against the RCB. Robin still counts as one of the best wicketkeepers in IPL because of his 90 dismissals and 114 games with 57 catches and 33 stumps. Number 3. Hardik Patel. He is one of the best wicketkeepers in IPL because of his 82 dismissals and 122 matches with 66 catches and 16 stumps. Patel made his IPL debut with Chennai Super Kings in 2008, and since then, one of the shortest cricketers, Patel has done amazing keeping. He became the youngest test wicketkeeper ever when he played for India in 2002. Patel's impressive wicketkeeper career in IPL made him be on this list. Number 2. Dinesh Karthik. Dinesh Karthik is a wicketkeeper batsman from India who is playing for Kolkata Knight Riders as a vice captain. Karthik has been the second best wicketkeeper in IPL of all time till now because of his extraordinary performance and skills. The guy has a record of 144 dismissals in 988 matches with 113 catches and 31 stumps. Karthik played for 6 different IPL teams till now and made his debut with Delhi Daredevils in 2008. Number 1. MS Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, known as MS Dhoni, is a former cricketer from India. In ODI cricket, Dhoni is one of the foremost run-scoring batsmen with over 10,000 runs scored as a wicketkeeper. He was the first to remove the stumps of 100 batsmen in ODI cricket. His leadership has led India to victory at the 2020 World Cup in 2007, ICC Asia Cup in 2010 and 2016, and the World Cup in 2011. He has also won the Champions Trophy of 2013. Besides his international achievements, Dhoni is the best wicketkeeper in IPL because of his remarkable 153 dismissals in 2005 matches with 114 catches and 13 stumps.